I want to go through a quick demonstration of my weight room dark template. With this template, there's a bunch of different layers and options included. With the download, you're going to get a full tutorial that's going to show you all about how to manipulate and change these layers, shut them off, turn them on, and all the different options for ways you can pose people, insert people, and things like that. But for now, let's do a quick run through of the different layers. So there's a curl bar here that you can move around, adjust, resize, and such. It kind of helps compress the subject in the scene and give it some cool foreground details. There are a couple different hue saturation layers that are going to help adjust your subject and make them fit into the scene automatically. I have my insert subject here folder is where you insert your subjects. I have a bunch of weight equipment in this folder. So if I open it up, there is a weight bench. So if I shut my subject on, you can see a weight bench there. I have an Olympic bar that you can shut off or turn on. You can move it around into different positions and different heights for your subject. There's actually a weight bar with 2 plates and a weight bar with 1 plate. So you can decide what you like there. There's a squat rack here that you can shut off, and then I can disable the layer mask. Again, this is all a full tutorial. It's going to teach you how to do this stuff, but you can use the full Olympic bar there or include it with the squat rack. There's a box jump here. I can shut this off, move a box jump into the center, and have an athlete jumping up, doing some CrossFit moves onto that box there if you'd like. There are even directions for photographing your subject to make them look like they're using the squat rack here. So if you listen to the directions, you can actually make them look like they're lifting this weight. This is a very versatile and unique template. And there's also a sister template. There's weight room white template. With this template, there's also a lot of different layers of weight room equipment and some pretty cool options. And once you purchase one of them, the other one will be greatly discounted for you. These templates are certainly going to make some very impactful images for your subjects.